Hello superstars, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make another money here online in Nigeria. And trust me, if you don't make 10,000 naira from this today, or if you don't get your first 10,000 naira or more than that today, it means you didn't follow the step I'm about to share with you in this video. And the most interesting part about this is that you're not going to be paying a dime or a registration fee for this, because this is actually free and out of scam. I've tested it and I've been on this for several months right now. Please, if you came across the channel right now, I teach people how to make money online legitimately in Nigeria. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and leave a comment. Also like this video because it helps the YouTube algorithm to push out this video to more audience. Please, if you have done that, thanks for doing that, and let's get right into the video. So what you just need is your internet connection, and the second thing you need is your Google Chrome. Do not leave the video yet. I'm going to be showing you something amazing that Jumia can do for you. Do you know that you can make money from Jumia? Just follow this step. First step, go over to your Google Chrome and search for www.jumia.com.ng. It's going to bring you over to where you're going to be seeing a variety of products. You're going to be clicking on the search button. And once you click on the search button, search for PS5. So once you search for PS5, it's going to bring you over to something like this, or something not far from this. Now we are going to be clicking on this first one, which is 540,000 naira. Though you can click on anyone, but in today's video I'm going to be marketing just this one. Now I'm going to click on it. If you're enjoying the video, please like the video if you haven't. Okay, so once you click on the first one, it's about loading. I'm going to show you something exciting right now. Okay, let's just wait for it. Okay, so once I click on that product, this is exactly what I'm going to be seeing. And if you scroll down, and this is actually what you're going to be seeing. But how do we make money from this? The second step, hold the image tight. And once you hold the image tight, it's going to bring you over to this. You're going to click on save image. You're going to click on save image. Once you save the image, you're going to download this image to your phone gallery, and do same for both the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, which is about to show, this other one. Now once you've done that, that is the second step. Now what's the next step? The next step, which is the third step, is to copy this link up here in your browser. So you're going to be copying that link. Okay, so if you want to copy, you just have to hold it and copy it. Okay, so how do I copy? You copy and you copy. Now you have copied this link. What's the next step to do right now? The next step to do is to go over to www.jumiacode.com. And once you're here, just sign up for www.jumiacode.com. I've already made a video about Jumia Code and how to use it. You can check the first link in the description box to watch the video about how to use www.jumiacode. So once you're already start on www.jumiacode.com, it's going to bring you over to something like this. The next thing you have to do is to click on custom link. Okay, just follow the step. Click on custom link. Okay, if you're enjoying the video, please subscribe if you haven't. Now click on Jumia e-commerce. Okay, so you're going to be clicking on Jumia e-commerce. Now it's going to be bringing us over to something not far from this. So if you're my fan and you're watching from Jumia, and you're watching from Kenya, click on Kenya. If you're watching from Egypt, click on Egypt. From Morocco, click on Morocco. But since I'm in Nigeria, and I'm going to be clicking on Nigeria. Now you're going to be clicking on Nigeria. Now remember that you copied a link from Jumia. Yes, I copied a link from Jumia. Now what am I about to do, or what am I going to do? I'm going to be pasting that link over here. Okay, so you're gonna paste the link over here, and then you can name this ID. Maybe you can name it AFF PS5. Okay, so now you have done this. It's generating your link for you. Now what you have to do now is to copy this link. Now how do we make money now? Now the next step, which is the first step, is to go over to Facebook. And then once you go over to Facebook, look for a random group on Facebook. Just search for any other group on Facebook, and once you have it, remember you already downloaded that PS5 image. Now do something like this. PS5 available now for 540,000 naira for the first 5 persons to purchase. Buy for your lovely child, friends, husband or wife. Now paste those images you have downloaded from Jumia, paste it here and then post it on the group. And once you post it, leave it for about 3 hours or so. You will see many people commenting. Now once those people start commenting, remember the link you copied from this other part. Remember the link you copied from here, start sending it to them. And once they click on the link and purchase that Jumia 5 and purchase that PS5, you're going to get paid a 9% commission. And do you know what's the 9% commission? Let's do the mathematics here. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my calculator. I'm going to be doing the 9% commission of 540,000 naira. That is 540,000 times 100 divided by 9. Okay, so what do we have here? Okay, this is a wrong calculation. Let me do it well. So we have 540,000 naira divided by 9 times 100, which is 900. So this is what you are going to be getting. You should be getting about 60,000 naira. If I'm not wrong, you're going to be getting about 60,000 naira for each person that purchases that product. I hope the video was quite educative and informative. Please, if it was, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'm looking forward to